Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can see, currently it is not working, like it is muted, you cannot hear any tap of mine, but if you would like to change it, if you would like to activate touch sounds, just open the settings, find it being sounds and vibration, go a bit lower and enter system sound. Here the first option is touch interactions right here, and from now on you will be able to hear ticks once I'm tapping on anything. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate touch sounds in your Samsung Galaxy A21s. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.